Is OptiContacts legit? Opticontactscom review for contact lenses online. Is OptiContacts legit? Opticontactscom review for contact lenses online. Opticontactscom is an online retailer that sells contact lenses and eye care products. With so many online stores these days, you might wonder, is OptiContacts legit, or is it risky to order your lenses online? Most people get this wrong by assuming that cheaper prices online always mean a scam. The surprising truth is that OptiContacts appears to be a legitimate platform. It offers verified brands, secure checkout, and a straightforward prescription submission process. Customers generally report receiving their lenses on time and in good condition. You won't believe what happens next. Like many online eye care retailers, the company requires a valid prescription and has verification steps to prevent misuse. This is a positive sign, as it shows the site follows safety protocols. Some users have experienced minor delays in shipping or customer service response, but these issues are relatively rare. To use OptiContacts safely, always have an up-to-date prescription, double-check your lens parameters before ordering, and pay attention to the return policy in case of defective products. Also, compare prices with other authorized retailers to ensure you're getting a fair deal. In conclusion, OptiContacts is a legitimate website for buying contact lenses online. It's generally safe, offers authentic products, and follows prescription verification standards. With careful attention to your prescription and order details, you can confidently purchase your lenses through this platform.